So guys, now yesterday morning Amazon DJI Osmo SE gimbals order and I got it yesterday. So we get the open it. Let's unbox it. So now the button order is the current now order pond. So I didn't essentially gimbal. Guys, we open 1 year warranty. The price the actual price is 13,000, but I got it for discount. 7,000 now Amazon will give discount. And this is a landscape, vertical, real reels, vlog. This specialty the 3-axis stabilization magnetic design. This is magnetic phone. And this is foldable. This is pocket foldable. This is handy. This is auto track. Like 5.0 tracking. We can track video. Camera one tap edit. This is Osmo Mimo app. So we editing. This is roll. Switch roll. Vertical landscape. Handy. So we can open it. Mimo app download QR code. That's the full setup. This is a tripod. This gimbal comes with a tripod. Charger. Magnet lamp. And this is a gimbal. Osmo SE gimbal. Then this is the latest gimbal. DJI's latest gimbal Osmo. Wow. Foldable. Wow. Pro Max fit gimbal okay. So let's fit this. There is a vertical fit. Can I the tutorials fit? The app, DJI Mimo app. We should download it. So guys, the app on double press automatically full feature loaders. We features the camera mode, panoramic, story mode, cinematic modes. Oh, 40 million. Okay, let's try it. Panoramic mode. Photo, video, slow motion, dynazoom, time lapse, hyperlapse, and pile features on the camera. In AI tracking feature, this is a special feature. This is all correct recognize that all follow this tripod, correct all movements and follow them. Landscape item, vertical correct video, correct image. That's why this vloggers hand and tripod. This vlogger cameraman. This is just a tripod. Vloggers follow mode. This is lock. This is tilt lock. Tilt lock. Tilt lock. This is an FP mode, first person video mode. This is on forehand gimbal track. So videos track. So guys, I long trip. So long trip videos in that's suspense. I want to 15th flight. So videos will come soon. Do check it out. Link below. So bye. So in the vlog gimbal mobile phone shoot. സോ അതൊക്കെയാണ് നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാം. ആൻഡ് നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഗസ് ചെയ്യും ഞാൻ എങ്ങോട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നത്. ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ.